I take pleasure in inviting Dr. Amit Kumar Chaurasia, who is one of the first proctors for structural heart interventions in our country. He was trained in Budapest, and since then he has been disseminating knowledge all over the country, and he has been the initial proctors for most centers and is responsible for setting up most centers for structural heart interventions in our country. Please welcome Dr. Amit.
Thank you very much.
So, Dr. Amit, what do you feel about the Sentient 2019?
Sentient 2019, I have been to a lot of conferences on structural heart, and I feel this is one of the best program I have been to because the content is good. So far as the content is good, your audience are going to be good.
So, having attended this focused program in which this is corely focused on structural heart interventions, predominantly TAVR, that's transcatheter aortic valve replacement, and you having seen the proctoring part of India as well as a lot of other countries, what do you feel is the future of transcatheter aortic valve therapies in our country?
There are a lot of youngsters now who wants to take up this field. Finally, if you look at, I see a good future for transcatheter aortic valve implantation in India.
Having all these things in mind, structural therapies is just in the cradle.
I don't tell the structural therapy is in the cradle in India because structural is a vast subject and TAVI is just one part of it. If we see, we may be doing many structural interventions more than the West, particularly the pediatric structural interventions. I'll tell you what I've seen in my own OPD. All these patients have been on medical follow-up until now, and there are no people who tell them like, okay, you got an option.
What drives you into this TAVR program? You're one of the first initiators of it.
One thing that drove was probably, I heard the first case done in that center was in 2007, and the patients were 84 and 85 years, and we had seen those patients coming to the hospital walking after almost like 8-9 years. So this is one therapy that has changed intervention completely after coronary intervention, I would say.
On a personal front, what keeps you focused into this therapy?
I have been in this field for a long time. I get to interact with people. I get to learn from people more than me teaching people, I can tell you.
Right.
I can tell you many of my techniques has not been my own technique. It's been from the people I have gone to teach. And that is why, I am so interested in teaching, because I can tell you many things which I tell at different places are not my own thing, but it is from the centers I have gone and picked up things.
The meeting that we are attending is Sentient 2019. That also means right from the heart. So thank you so much, Dr. Amit, for being with us.
Thank you.
And it was a pleasure interacting with you.
Thank you very much.